So I'm saying it, but this is what I see, and my prophecy would never miss. But spiritually, the Onyankopɔn doso no.
You can.
Yes. Na me bo rade mpaye. But anya me nkase kan be wini you know.
Okay.
Me say you know. Omo MPP for prime minister.
Yes, prime minister.
Afei me pese me ma Kennedy Agyapong so te say obi be poison. Ora Ken, be very careful. I know you are very great such when it comes to eating. But there is a nipa with chini the trust no ebedu. I am telling you. And it will be a terrible thing for you. So from today go, never eat from anywhere. Ken, please don't eat from anywhere. Don't eat where what do you shemiye ebetumi oduane kra be di aduane bi obi anu ama obi a tibi makra me be dinwe efine ko ye obedi men kom se ho agoro na sembe to rough. Ken, I'm telling you gospel fact, I'm not joking, because whether the devil likes it or not, your MPP flat bell will not behold. And people are great. The person that you trust and love so much, the person who demons will enter the person to do stupid against you. I'm telling you, Ken. My name is Prophet Topi. Yes. So be very careful, extra careful. Me say, pe okra bi si ho. Okra na krama bi. Wo bedi di bi atibi mano. Wo bedi di bi atibi mano. Onti asiye da kosi that day na be nsi Nyankopon. Me say Sunday radio ka kire me nkom sense so sanda. That is me. But being careful no, people will be afraid. See their akwano nani dawo, they will be afraid and they will run out to not do such stupid thing that demons are planning to do against your life. Think deeper. A word to a wise.
It's enough.
It's enough. Okay.